Shashank here. Welcome to Post Market Analysis with TIDI Academy. So on the monthly time frame, the market is looking extremely bullish. So we have a green candle which is already above the trend line. Hopefully, we get a closing by this month end above the trend line. So we'll come down to 1 week time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we already are seeing very good bullish momentum as we have a green candle closing above the trend line. So which we have conclusive closing. So we can expect more bullishness in the coming days. We'll go down to 1 day time frame. So on the daily time frame, I am still not very sure that the market is in a very good uptrend because the candles look very choppy. So we still do not have any direction in the intraday levels. So we'll go down to 5 minute time frame to see the intraday levels. So today was a very good day. So what I liked about today's market is market did not break any of its lows. So the market has respected all the levels and it on regular intervals kept breaking the highs. So this is the intraday levels of today. So we'll plan how to trade for tomorrow. So if we get a green candle closing above 18,300 levels, we'll be expecting some bullish momentum. You can keep a target of 50 points with a 20-point stop loss in Nifty. So if you're planning on a downside trade, we'll wait for the market to break 18,300 levels. So you need a red candle closing below 18,300 levels to see some bearish momentum in the market, and you'll have a target of 50 points with 20-point stop loss. Same on the upside as well as on the downside. So this is Nifty on the daily time frame. So we'll move on to Bank Nifty. So as per Bank Nifty is concerned, so Bank Nifty was in the same range all day. So 42,350 level should be a very good resistance. So if you're planning on a bullish side trade in Bank Nifty, you'll be waiting for 42,350 levels to be broken. You will have a target of 100 points with a 20-point stop loss in Bank Nifty. So this is in Bank Nifty. You need a green candle closing above 42,350 levels. And if you're planning on a bearish trade, so you will wait for today's low to be broken. If you get a red candle closing below this level, you have a very big target on the downside. So you might see the market covering the gap, which is around 41,630 levels. So this you can plan the trades on both the sides, but you have a bigger target on the bearish side. As today we experienced a very big gap out. So this is it for Bank Nifty on intraday levels. We'll move on to India VIX. So what is India VIX? Many people are still confused. India VIX indicates volatility in the market. So the movement, lesser the VIX, lesser the movement in the market. So higher the VIX, higher the movement in the market. So as VIX is at 14.4 levels, so VIX has cooled off very much in the past few days. So we can expect good directional movement on the upside as even the global markets are bullish and even Indian markets are performing well. So this is it for the VIX. We'll come to our swing trades. So the first stock which I'd like to give for swing trade is HDFC. So HDFC is currently at 2650 levels. So we can soon see HDFC at 2930 levels. So this is the high which it created because of the merger news. So this time the market is genuinely moving on the upside. So you can see good price action in HDFC. You can keep a 50-point stop loss and you can start trailing your target. So this is it for HDFC Bank. So we'll move on to the next stock. So the next stock is Chem Bond. We look at it in the weekly time frame. So if you come to the weekly time frame for Chem Bond, so we'll have a stop loss of 200. So the 200 levels is your stop loss. So previous consolidation where it acted as resistance should act as support this time. So that is our stop loss. And our target is the previous high. We'll keep the target of 260 levels. So why is it 260 levels? Because market has continuously failed to close above 260 levels in this particular stock. So once the stock goes to these levels, market might show a rejection again. So that is the reason why we'll exit at 260 levels itself in this stock. So this is it guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.